Hi everybody, this is Robin and I'm here with Nameless and the new baby, and the new baby is on my lap. I'm starting this tutorial with Twyla True guest list, which is a beautiful, basic, thick, juicy taupe. Okay, if you want a gorgeous beige taupe, this is the color. I loved it, and this is a great color for fall. You're going to find this in my fall tutorial, and what I'm doing is I'm just going and pushing that color right on the tip, hitting the ends, and then capping. You could stop with one coat, or you can do two. This is absolutely a one coat type of polish, and because the baby is here and because I'm going to do a design that kind of covers through, one coat is enough for this design, and this is good if you have a new baby. So I'll meet you back with the color. Okay, so I have some acrylic paint mixed out. It is cranberry, dark red, and black. With my liner brush, and it is called the Wand, and you get it at robinmosesnailart.com. It's a liner brush. You fill it up about halfway with this beautiful cranberry, and I have a brand new little baby sneezing on me. So I'm pushing almost a circle and then pulling, pushing almost a circle and then pulling, and then with the very tip of my brush, barely touching in and going down. On the other side, I'm going to go against it, and I'm going to make the point and push out, and like that, and push out. On this one, I'm going to go through like this, push, pull up. I wish I could pan out, but the way that my camera is, I can't. But you should see this little darling baby on my lap right now. She's totally looking at me. How much does she weigh, Nameless?
8 pounds and 6 ounces.
But it doesn't even feel like close to that. It feels like 4 pounds. Just barely. It's just like a little on the lap. She's darling. Evil Client's here. And it's so quiet. Totally opposite of Juicy Day, right, Evil Client?
That's right.
Until this one gets big enough to scream and run.
Yeah.
And trust me when I say she will.
Oh yeah.
And there we go. But I am showing everybody, the old school way of being able to do nail art and do it cheaply and build your clientele when you have real life situations going on in the shop. This is something that I want to get across on my channel more than anything, because you know, the nail stuff they get you to buy that you don't use, or the stuff that you get bored of, they don't pay your rent like this does. And you can always have this no matter where you go, no matter how many shops you go to. They can't take this from you, and you can't lose it. All you need is a brush and some paint. Lord knows how many babies I've held while working. Okay, so when you're finished, it's going to look like this. There's a little tiny bit of places where I have to fill in. So where I'm filling in, I'm going to fill in with a little red and cranberry mixed together, just to give it that. There's a tree here, and I don't know the name of it. Does anybody know the name of the trees that turn bright red?
No, but I love them. They're my favorite.
That's what I'm trying to like get that look here, because they are so pretty and they look so beautiful in front of taupe houses. So it's kind of my inspiration, and so thank you, Nameless, for letting me paint this on you. I'm going to top coat with a matte top coat. Maybe I'll go for shiny, I don't know, but I'll meet you back with the finished nails. Okay, now here is the end result. Let me zoom in. Okay, so this will be what it looks like when it's finished with the Matte top coat by Dazzle Dry. And if you can't get Dazzle Dry to you, any matte top coat will work. And I think that there's a way to make matte top coat online by adding cornstarch to top coat. Totally takes the shine out. And you can do that with mostly any color too. So anyways, I'm going to try and get perfect pictures of this color on my blog or on my Facebook fan page. So keep an eye out. Please share this video, subscribe if you like it if you like it, and I'll see you back with more. Brushes at robinmosesnailart.com. Bye everybody!